Scene script. Ever wondered how our home, the Earth, came into existence? Picture this. About 4.5 billion years ago, in the vastness of space, something extraordinary began to happen. It all started with a tremendous explosion of energy and matter, known as the Big Bang. This monumental event not only created the universe as we know it, but also set the stage for the formation of celestial bodies, including our very own planet Earth. Now, following the Big Bang, the universe was filled with an almost unimaginable amount of cosmic dust and gas. Over millions upon millions of years, these particles began to coalesce, drawn together by the irresistible force of gravity. Slowly but surely, they formed a solid sphere, a protoplanet, which we now call Earth. But our planet didn't look much like the home we know today. It was a hot, molten sphere glowing red with intense heat. This was a world in the making, a place of fire and brimstone where no life could possibly exist. Yet, over time, something remarkable happened. The Earth began to cool. The outer layers of the molten sphere solidified, forming a thin, hard crust. This process took another few hundred million years, but it was a vital step in the Earth's transformation. The formation of the crust marked the end of Earth's fiery birth and the beginning of a new chapter in its history. But even then, the Earth was a far cry from the vibrant, life-sustaining planet we know and love. It was barren, rocky, and devoid of life, a solitary sphere spinning alone in the vast cosmos. Yet, within this desolate landscape lay the potential for life, for beauty, for diversity, and over the next billions of years that potential would be realized in ways that are nothing short of miraculous. So, our planet's journey began, alone and lifeless in the vast cosmos. But how did our barren planet become the blue, life-filled world we know today, one might ask? Well, the answer lies in the magic of water and life. Imagine a time when Earth was a desolate rock, a lonely planet in the vast cosmos. Then something remarkable happened. Water, the elixir of life, made its grand appearance. But where did it come from? One theory suggests that icy comets, those celestial travelers, brought water to our world. Just picture it, icy comets hurtling through space, crashing into Earth, and leaving behind precious water in their wake. From this water, life began to stir. Around 3.5 billion years ago, the first simple life forms made their debut in the Earth's oceans. These were humble microbes, tiny organisms that marked the beginning of life on our planet. It was in these primeval oceans that life began its incredible journey. Over the course of billions of years, these simple life forms evolved. They became more complex, more diverse. The oceans teemed with a variety of creatures, each more fascinating than the last. Life was not just surviving, it was thriving. From the depths of the ocean, life ventured onto land. Plants began to cover the Earth's surface, and animals followed. The planet that was once a barren rock was now a bustling hub of life. It's truly amazing to think about the journey life has taken on Earth. From simple microbes in the ocean, life has evolved into an array of complex organisms. Each creature, each plant, each microbe is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Life continues to evolve, to adapt, to surprise us. Every day we discover new species, new adaptations, new evidence of the incredible journey of life on Earth. And it all started with water, the life-giving element that transformed a barren rock into a living planet. From simple microbes to complex life forms, Earth was becoming a living planet. And it continues to be a testament to the power of evolution and the magic of life. What if I told you that long before humans, giants roamed the Earth? Yes, that's right, the age of dinosaurs, a remarkable era that spanned over 160 million years. These colossal creatures, in all their myriad forms, held dominion over our planet, their thunderous footsteps echoing through the eons. From the towering, long-necked herbivores, such as the Brachiosaurus, to the deadly and formidable Tyrannosaurus rex, these magnificent beings are a testament to the Earth's dynamic and ever-evolving history. But as with all things, this era had to come to an end. Around 65 million years ago, a cataclysmic event, possibly a massive asteroid impact, created a thick cloud of dust and debris blocking out the sun and drastically altering the planet's climate. This led to the extinction of these grand beasts. Their reign abruptly ended. And just like that, the reign of the dinosaurs ended, making way for new life forms to dominate. Ever wondered how we, humans, came to rule the Earth? After the last dinosaur drew its final breath, The stage was set for a new kind of life to take center stage. Mammals, the small furry creatures that had lived in the shadows of the dinosaurs, began to rise. With the giant reptiles out of the picture, mammals began to diversify and adapt to fill every niche and corner of the earth. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from the tiniest shrew to the largest whale. Among these mammals, a group known as the primates began to stand out. Primates are a unique bunch, characterized by their forward-facing eyes and grasping hands. They're the group we humans belong to, and they first appeared around 55 million years ago. Fast forward a few million years and we see the rise of the early hominids, the group that includes modern humans and our closest extinct relatives. These early hominids were marked by their bipedalism. They began to walk on two legs. This freed their hands for other tasks like tool-making and set the stage for an incredible leap in evolution. In the heart of Africa, around 200,000 years ago, a new species emerged that would change the world forever. Homo sapiens, or as we call ourselves, humans. We were not the first hominid species, nor the only one, but we had something special. Our brains were larger and more complex, allowing us to think, plan, and communicate in ways no other species could. From Africa, we spread across the world, adapting to every environment we encountered, from the freezing Arctic to the scorching deserts. We learned to harness fire, to build shelters, to farm, and to create societies. We developed language, art, and technology. We shaped the world around us, and in doing so, we became more than just another species of mammal. And thus, we humans became the most dominant species on Earth. But what about today? And what does the future hold for our home planet? At this juncture in time, the Earth is a vibrant, bustling sphere of life, teeming with an array of diverse species, ecosystems, and natural phenomena. Our planet is a dynamic entity, constantly changing and evolving, shaped by the forces of nature and the actions of its inhabitants, particularly us humans. In the blink of an eye, geologically speaking, we've transformed vast landscapes, harnessed resources, and created complex societies. However, this progress hasn't come without a cost. Our activities have had a profound impact on the environment. Deforestation, pollution, and the burning of fossil fuels have altered the Earth's climate, leading to rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events. The Earth's biodiversity is under threat, too. We're currently in the midst of what scientists are calling the sixth mass extinction, with species disappearing at an alarming rate. Our oceans are no longer the thriving underwater worlds they once were, with overfishing and pollution taking a heavy toll. And yet, amidst these challenges, there is hope. We're developing innovative solutions to combat climate change, from renewable energy to carbon capture technologies. We're also making strides in conservation, working to protect endangered species and restore damaged ecosystems. Looking forward, we can anticipate a future shaped by both the challenges we face and our responses to them. Climate change will continue to be a defining issue, altering landscapes and impacting communities around the globe. But with our growing understanding of the Earth's systems and our place within them, we have the chance to create a more sustainable, resilient future. In the realm of space exploration, we're pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. Who knows? Perhaps one day we might even find ourselves calling another planet home. But until that day comes, this planet, our Earth, is all we have. It's our shared responsibility to steward it wisely, to ensure its health and vitality for generations to come. No matter what the future holds, it's up to us to protect and cherish our home, the Earth. So, what have we learned about our home planet? We've journeyed from the very birth of Earth, a fiery and volatile world forming over 4.5 billion years ago. We've seen how the arrival of water, a seemingly simple molecule, brought about a profound shift, paving the way for the first flickers of life to ignite. We've roamed the age of dinosaurs, a time when colossal creatures dominated the land, the sea, and the sky. And then, we observed the rise of mammals and eventually us, humans. We've changed the face of the Earth, for better or worse, and continue to do so. Finally, we've glimpsed at the Earth today and speculated about its future. Will we learn from our past and make a sustainable future? Or will we continue down a path of self-destruction? And that, my friends, is the incredible story of our home, the Earth.